Hi, I'm Justin Ball, the owner of the Showerhead store and HammerHead Showers, and in this video, I'm gonna give you a demo of our 3-spray handheld showerhead set. Solid metal, built to last. Let's go take a look at it. Okay, so let's take the showerhead down, and this is the 3-spray made from solid 304 stainless steel, okay? It's got 3 sprays, does the outer one, this inner one, which is like super high pressure, like a massage. And then this one, which is a mist spray. Next, you have the 72-inch flexible metal hose made from 304 stainless steel coil. You got brass connectors that don't split and leak. And then inside, you have our silicone inner tubing. So when you look at shower hoses, you often don't see what's inside, of course, unless it's broken. But most manufacturers on the market use PVC and EPDM, which is a synthetic rubber that collects a bunch of gunk like biofilm, which is really nasty. That's why we use silicone. It prevents that biofilm growth inside. And this all mounts on our solid brass shower head holder, which can angle down, straight out, or all the way up. And there's even a little built-in angle in the shower head itself, so you can get this really into the center of your shower. So even if you have a small shower like this one here, you can get the water right overhead without having to stand up against the back wall here, okay, to get under the spray. So let's run some water through it and show you the different spray settings. So this shower is available in our 2.5 and 1.8 gallon per minute flow rate, depending on if you need low flow or high flow. And what you can see is this is our wide spray, which fans out. It gives you that rain-like immersing coverage. With a 4-inch wide spray face, this is the preferred spray setting. But if you want that massage power, right, to hit your muscles or rinse shampoo out of thick hair, or even take it down and clean your shower, this is perfect. And then you have the 3rd spray setting, which is this particleized mist, which is also very high pressure, but it's cooling. So right after a workout in the summer, right, you can have this nice refreshing mist spray. So there you have it, our 3-spray handheld shower head, available in chrome, brushed nickel, oil rub bronze, matte black, and maybe more soon. I'm Justin Ball, the shower head guy, signing out for now.